can't see it now.
No, I'm going to turn around.
Oh, it's right there. Okay, go a little bit more forward, go a little bit more forward. Keep going, keep going.
There.
Wait. Yeah, stop. Oh, yeah. It's a bit hard. There we go. David, the thing is on a dog.
Yeah, puppy. We're David and Sarah.
At the end of 2021, we packed up our lavish Aussie lives into 4 suitcases to do a 2-year working holiday in Canada.
The awesome sights and experiences you're about to witness are the result of 2 people prioritising fun, adventure, and each other over financial security, career goals, and social ideals.
If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures.
There's a reason why I'm so excited, guys. There's a reason. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a hike. We're going to see some waterfalls, but we also saw a grizzly and a black bear.
In one day.
In one day. The Johnston Canyon, and we're going to be seeing some waterfalls, the lower falls, not the upper falls, because we're still getting used to this hiking stuff. We got our eyes peeled for more bears because we're so excited that we saw bears. See, I think I'm telling myself that I'm seeing bears now and they're just humans.
Here we are. Turns out this is the type of place that we probably should come to early in the morning when everyone's still asleep, because this is the first lineup we've seen since we've been here.
And we've been to a lot of places. Falls now
because that was so busy.
Way
Let's
too busy.
just see how that goes.
Someone just asked us if they can be in our vlog, but we were moving too quickly.
We said, you can't afford this opportunity.
Seems like it's pretty quiet up here. Hopefully we are the only ones, or maybe just a handful of people are there.
That'd be nice.
We'll check it out for you guys.
But this is only 25 minutes from home, so if it's too busy, we can easily come back another time.
Yeah, we're not that fit anymore. Been eating a lot in the staff cafe for free. So, there's a waterfall there. Cut this out of the vlog. Okay. I don't want people to see me like this. So just a warning, if you want to do the upper falls, it's a bit of a hike. There's some steep bits.
Which it would have said that on the information thing at the start, we just didn't take any notice because we weren't planning on doing it.
Yeah, we thought we were just doing the lower. We made it. There's a few
Here we
people
are.
here.
Not quite as crowded as the first lookout, but this one is probably even better than the first one. It's much taller, probably louder. Looks like we just made it in time. We made it back to civilization.
We're done with the hike. It was really good. So there's two waterfalls, lower and upper. If you're going to go to the lower one, make sure that you go there really early. With the upper waterfall, make sure that you got your hiking boots on.
Yeah, there was a lot of ice on the track still, even though it's well into spring now. Took us about 45 minutes there, 45 minutes back. And yeah, it was quite a busy trail, but very worthwhile. Beautiful
Definitely.
views, beautiful waterfalls. Yeah, well worth doing.
And we didn't see any bears, but we did see bear poop.
I think it must be about 2.5 kilometers to the upper falls, so 5 kilometers round trip. But we can confirm that on the map.
As we do with every Canadian activity that we do, we ended up with a hot drink, a hot chocolate or a coffee. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go to the Black Swift Cafe or Bistro or something, just to have a hot drink, and then we'll be on our way. Sorry guys, it might be called the Johnston Canyon Market Cafe. So, one of the two, we'll see. So, I guess you make your own coffee.
Well, you don't make your own, you pour your own. Okay, which one is the hot chocolate again?
Okay.
Oh, you gotta hold it.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Cheers.
Cheers! Oh, hot.
Oh.
This is our home, guys. We live just down that road.
Yep, she's a one traffic light town.
And that's where we took the bus from the other day. And missed it.